So I'm on this diet journey and I am trying to find healthier, lower calorie swaps for all of the things that I really love. And so on this little journey, I have discovered a few things that I'd like to share with you that I think are actually good and not gross swaps for the things that we love. And so I'd like to share them here with you. So the first thing I want to share are these extreme wellness tortillas. They have different flavors, but these taste like tortillas and they are half the calories and they're so good. So this would be my first swap. I'm a burrito lover, so any option for a burrito in my life to cut down calories there make me happy. So this was a really awesome find. So extreme wellness, tomato basil, they have spinach, herb. They're really good. These tortilla wraps, that's probably my first choice right there. The second thing I like to do often is I found this banana cream Greek yogurt from Walmart, and I chop up bananas and put them inside this, and it tastes very similar to a banana cream pie. And this is like one of my favorite treats when I'm feeling like I need something sweet, and it's at less than 200 calories. I also love bagels and cream cheese, and I found bagel thins, and they have everything and then plain that I've found. I'm sure they have other flavors, but these are the two that I found that I really like. And then I do fat-free cream cheese, which is like half the calories, and this is about half the calories of a bagel. So you're really just like under 200 calories here again for another really yummy good little meal. This is not a calorie swap, but I found these sweet steamers, and they're sweet potatoes that you just pop in the microwave and they're done so fast, 8 minutes. And then I like to put my other swap, which is Brummel and Brown's yogurt butter. This stuff is less calories than regular butter, and it tastes like butter. It's so good, and I'll put this on my sweet potatoes or like artichokes. This is a game changer, this for me. I really like butter, and this is a healthier option. I saw ads all over the place for Mr. Tortillas, saving taco night tortillas, and so I had to try them. They're only 15 calories per, and normal corn tortillas are like 30 to 50 per, and so you're really cutting it in half right there with these, and they're really good. I just made tacos the other night with ground turkey, and so ground turkey is another really good swap, but I feel like that's so obvious. But these Mr. Tortilla tacos are really good. I tried pico de gallo and multigrain, and they're both really yummy and a great option for a corn tortilla swap. So I really love cheese. I haven't met a cheese that I haven't loved, and so it's been really hard to try to cut back on cheese for me. So I found the Laughing Cow light wedges, but also Aldi has a brand called Happy Farms, and they've got all kinds of good flavors. This is the Swiss garlic herb, but I really like their pepper jack. These cheeses are so good and such a good swap, especially the flavored ones for putting your healthy stuff like your fruits and vegetables in there. They're about 30 calories per little wedge. This is probably kind of an obvious one, but this is one that I've been using a lot lately, is egg whites. And I like to do it this way because it's easier than trying to separate them. But if you want that egg flavor still and not have it be too egg whitey, I'll mix egg whites in with a whole egg so I still get that yolk flavor in there. This is a good option for calorie cutting. At Costco, I found these egg wraps, and you could make really good crepes with them. So I can do like the fat-free cream cheese with a sugar-free jam inside of these and kind of heat it up in a pan, and it's really low calorie. These guys are only 30 calories, super yummy. And then if you are feeling like frisky, you could put a little powdered sugar on top, and then you get a real good flavor. Obviously the sugar adds calories, but you know, it's low calorie as it is. I think if you put the cream cheese, which is 30 calories, with these egg wraps that are 30 calories, and a little bit of the jam, which is like 15 calories, sugar-free jam, and then sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top, obviously defeating the sugar-free of the jam, you're gonna be under 100 calories for a yummy little dessert. So this was an exciting find. These are cage-free egg wraps, crepini. I'm not a soda drinker. I think they're too sugary. I feel sick after I drink sodas. And I saw somebody advertise Zevia, and I thought for sure I wasn't gonna like it. You know, I thought I'd try it because it's 0 calories, sugar-free, all of that stuff. And I, every once in a while, really want the flavor of a root beer. Even though I know it makes me sick every time, I just want that root beer flavor. So I tried these Zevias, and they are so light that I can do this soda. And I'm not encouraging necessarily soda drinking, but if you are a soda drinker and you want a better option, the Zevias are really good and light, and they just don't feel like they're heavy and weigh you down. So this is another one that I really enjoy. So one of my favorite finds is Hughes's sugar-free options. He's got the sugar-free teriyaki marinade, and my favorite is the sugar-free barbecue sauce. So I will take this and put it on like canned chicken or like a rotisserie chicken and put it on a tortilla with some ranch dressing, and it cuts the calories down by like nothing. This is 10 calories, and then the teriyaki marinade is 5 calories. So you're like per serving, and this is 2 tablespoons. I barely ever use even 2 tablespoons. So this is a really yummy option. These are really good. The flavors are really good. I thought I was gonna hate them because it's sugar-free. I'm like, how could barbecue sauce be good? I really dig these. So this is one of my favorite finds. So I mentioned I like to do that sugar-free barbecue sauce with ranch dressing, but ranch dressing is incredibly calorie full. And I found this Bolthouse Farms yogurt ranch dressing. It's really yummy, and it's only 45 calories, which is less than half of what regular ranch dressing is. It's so good. I don't know if you can see that. Bolthouse, oh, there we go. Bolthouse Farms Classic Ranch, and they have like avocado ranch, and they're all 45 calories. They've got all kinds of yummy flavors, but this has been a great discovery. So I'll get my lettuce on my spinach wraps from Extreme Fitness with my chicken and a little bit of barbecue sauce and a little bit of this and some tomatoes, maybe some avocado, and it's a really yummy, healthy option. So I love my ice cream, my sweets. That's hard for me to give up, really hard for me to give up. And so sometimes I'll just like eat a scoop of ice cream to get that flavor out. But with these Sundae Shop ice creams, if you can see that, let me see if we can get that to focus. Then Sundae Shop ice creams, I feel like I can eat this whole thing and not feel an ounce of guilt. They're only 280 calories for the whole pint, and it's 20 grams of protein. You should let it sit on the counter for a little while before you start eating it, because otherwise it's really hard to eat. You want it to soften up a little bit. But this mint flavor is really good. I'm not as big a fan of the other flavors, but the mint and chip flavor I can grub on. So this was one of my favorite dessert discoveries. So last but certainly not least, and certainly not low calorie, are the things that I try or I eat when I've got that sweet tooth. I've been obsessed with juicy fruit, and I have been obsessed with Tic Tacs. So when I get that like need for sweetness, I will pop in a couple of juicy fruits, which are 5 calories per, or I'll pop in a couple of Tic Tacs, which are 1.5 calories per. And so I will do that to try to like satiate that need for sugar. But I had to add those in because they're definitely like kind of been a staple for me lately, because I have such a sweet tooth, and so I need to have some kind of backup when I really want to go for like the hot fudge sundae. So this is my backup. My Tic Tacs, I do orange. I love the Coca-Cola Tic Tacs, the fruit Tic Tacs. These are my go-to for when I'm having like a desperate need for some sugar, and obviously they do have sugar in them. I hope these were interesting to you, were helpful to you. If you try them, let me know. Also, if you have other ideas, I'm like desperate for ideas. I'm trying to like refill my refrigerator with new healthy options. And so please share those below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. If you have other ideas for things that you'd like for me to share them below. I am so excited about all of the support I've received. Thank you so much. And I hope that you have a good day. Bye.